The monthly subscription price is usually the smallest part of what you'll spend on field service software. The real long-term cost comes from how much time the software saves, how many extra tools you have to pay for, and whether your team actually uses it every day. By the end of this video, you'll know why comparing subscription prices alone is misleading, how Markate and Jobber differ, and which platform is more likely to cost less for your business over the long run. Here's the direct answer. There is no universal winner because pricing changes over time. Plans differ, and every business uses a different combination of features. The cheaper option over several years is usually the one that replaces the most manual work and reduces the need for additional software. Let's start with Markate. It's designed to help service businesses manage scheduling, customer information, estimates, invoices, payments, and day-to-day operations from a single platform. Companies that use a wide range of its built-in features may avoid paying for separate business tools, which can reduce overall operating costs. Jobber focuses on many of the same core tasks. It helps businesses organize customer records, schedule work, dispatch technicians, create quotes, send invoices, collect payments, and manage recurring jobs. Many service businesses choose Jobber because of its straightforward interface and workflow, which can reduce training time for office staff and technicians. The mistake many owners make is comparing only the advertised subscription price. Two platforms with similar monthly costs can have very different long-term expenses if one requires additional software for payments, customer communication, reporting, or scheduling. Training time also matters. If your employees learn one platform quickly, that's time they can spend serving customers instead of learning software. Take Alex as an example. He owns a landscaping business with a small office team. He chooses software that handles scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication, without needing several extra subscriptions. Even if the monthly plan costs slightly more, he may spend less overall because he's replacing other software. Now consider John, who runs a plumbing company with technicians who need to learn the system quickly. He values a platform that new employees can start using with minimal training. If the software saves administrative time every week, that ongoing efficiency may outweigh a lower subscription price elsewhere. Before making your decision, calculate your total annual software costs instead of looking at one monthly number. Include any extra applications you currently pay for, onboarding time, employee training, payment processing, and the value of time saved through automation. That gives you a much more accurate picture of long-term cost. The bottom line is simple. Markate and Jobber can both be cost-effective, but the cheaper long-term choice depends on how your business operates and which features you'll actually use. Compare complete workflows instead of subscription prices alone. If this comparison helped you make a smarter decision, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other field service software comparisons.